Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon. This is your day.
May you have many, many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, CK! Mama! Choo-choo!
Sana kahit wala si tatay ngayon, nandito kami. Para punan lahat.
May you spread your love to your family, friends, and everyone in this room, and of course, yourself.
Happy birthday, Ate!
Focus dun sa studies mo para balang araw, yun ang maibalik mo dun sa parents mo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo sa buhay, lahat ng pangarap mo at huwag kang magbabago. Happy birthday. I love you.
Okay, sabi family daw yung sa akin, yung topic ko. And na-realize ko nung pagdating namin dito sa Tagaytay, alam ko na kung saan ka nagmana. Sa family mo, syempre.
Rolling through a river, got my head up, but I'm falling down. I'm just rolling through a riptide on my own time, but I will come back up, yes. And if you wanna stay around, promise I won't let you down. And if you wanna stick around, we'll paint this town. You don't wanna miss out on me. You'll see, believe. You don't wanna miss out on this. Just watch what I got. You don't wanna miss out. You don't wanna miss out. Yeah. You don't wanna miss out. You don't wanna miss out. I got the
Ladies and gentlemen, our debutant Kareel Christiani Sarayan.
So just know that I'll always be here for you, mapaakads man yan, or life, or relationship. I'm always here.
on me. You'll see.